guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just gonna make this one to help out any Jeep guys, JK Jeep Wrangler guys that run into a similar issue like this. But the issue this is having is the shifter isn't working. Okay, it started off with the Jeep not wanting to start, and then when you try to put it in gear, park, or whatever, it's the shifter's loose. There's no tension anymore. You can't feel it go into gear. And the issue here is the linkage actually popped off the transmission. These are actually notorious for the linkages to pop off on the transfer case and the transmission. All it is these cheap little like plasticky bushings that clip it into place, like on the transfer case and the transmission on the little lever, and they just fall apart. So for the transmission linkage, this is going to be the fix for it. I guess it happens so often, they actually made a Dorman repair kit that you can get like at O'Reilly, AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, places like that. And it's supposed to just be the clear plastic piece in here. That's what clips the linkage onto the transmission. Part number 14055. So I'm going to open this up, remove this little clear bushing, and pop it on and test it out. See how easy it is to fix. So right here is the lever coming off the transmission, and here is the linkage. So it's completely missing the bushing. It just, deteriorated and fell out. So when I'm trying to shift the transmission, this rod is just going in and out. It's not connected to the trans anymore. So what I'm going to do is install the bushing inside of this rod and just clip it back onto the lever from the transmission, and it should be fixed. Here's a new bushing. It's kind of got like a groove in the center to hold it, hold it in place. So I just kind of push this through the rod. I might have to lubricate it to get it to slide through. It might be a tight fit, but I'm going to put this on the rod, put the rod back on the trans. I'm going to try and get a better angle for you guys. It's kind of hard to see what I'm working with here. So I just pop that out so I can have this hanging down to get more room to work with. And lubed up the plastic and used the combination, just a flathead screwdriver and a pair of pliers to squeeze it in there. Really tight fit. So now that that's in there, I should just be able to reinstall this on the bracket and click this back into the transmission lever, and it should be done. Alright, can you go through the gear so we can test it out? Alright, we're about to move the shift lever and make sure that it stays in place. Feels good? Alright, it's in there pretty damn good. It shouldn't go anywhere. Alright. So there it is, the shift linkage bushing installation is complete and fixed the issue this Jeep was having. Again, here's the part that fixed it. Let's see, 14055, Dorman help. You can get this like at O'Reilly, AutoZone, Advanced, places like that, Napa, whatever. I'll link this in the description, so you can just order this online and have it shipped straight to your door. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.